To customize the volume slider on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you will need to download an app that is called Good Luck. We need to download it from the Galaxy Store, which is completely for free. So once you open the Galaxy Store, we want to search for Good Luck. This is the app that we need to install on our phone. And once you do, we can open it. And here we will need to download a plugin that allows us to customize the volume slider. More precisely, it is called the Sound Assistant. On the right side, we can tap on this arrow. And let's wait for the plugin to be installed. And after this, you should be able to open the plugin. So tap on it in order to proceed. Let's press continue to grant permissions. And now over here we have the option to customize. So you can go to make your own volume panel colors. And here we have some different light effects that we can use. We can turn it on in order to apply any of these. So let's say I'm gonna stick with this one. You can also go to theme in order to find different recommended themes. You can also create your own theme over here. So let's say I'm gonna pick this one. And for the flex Y, I'm gonna choose perhaps this one. And let's see, now we're gonna press volume up. And as you can see, we have a new volume slider. And if I tap on these three dots, we should be able to also find the same theme applied to these sliders. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!